If I'm to start a new Facebook right now and I'm hoping to be earning up to $10,000 monthly, this is exactly what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be sharing 5 strategies that you need if you really want to make more money on Facebook. So it's important for you to watch this video from beginning to the end. And the last one is very, very important, right? So number one is audience tier, right? I know most of you have been watching several videos on YouTube and you have been hearing creators talking about that there are certain countries that when they watch your video that you earn higher, right? When your audience are coming from African countries like Nigeria, Ghana, and some other African countries, you see that you cannot compare your earnings to somebody that his or her audience is coming from the United States of America or United Kingdom. So you need to understand this. So if you want to earn more money, you should focus on creating content that people in the US will be consuming, content that people in the UK should be consuming. All right, so this is the first thing that you need to understand. I'm not saying that if your audience is coming from Nigeria that you're not going to make money. You're definitely going to make money, but I'm talking about if you want to make more money. So the second strategy that you also need to pay attention to is the viral format. So when it comes to all the social media platforms, you get to understand that all of them have their different video formats. So when it comes to YouTube, it's recommended that you should use landscape or horizontal format. So you cannot use that on Facebook. I'm not saying that if you post that kind of video on Facebook that Facebook will block you. No, it will actually work, but you will struggle to make views, right? So it's important for you to get to understand the format that Facebook actually need and give them that particular format. There is different formats for normal videos and it's also different format for reels. So when you get to understand that, so when you're posting your reels, then you use that exact format for reels. When you're posting normal video, you use that exact format for video. Right. So the next thing that you should also look into, which is the third strategy, is viral ads. So a lot of creators are actually talking about that when you start running ad on Facebook, that Facebook will stop recommending your videos to people. No, it's a lie. You just need to get to understand how to actually run this ad. Right. So running ad on Facebook does not stop you from anything. It doesn't stop algorithm from recommending people to your video. Actually, it also helps you to get a particular audience that love your content. All right. So let me say, for instance, earlier I talked about top countries that actually, when they're watching your video, that you get to earn more money. So when you're running this ad and you're targeting people in the United States, you see that this will actually help you to target exactly those people that is in the United States. Remember, right now you just open a Facebook page and you need audience to watch your video, right? The first you need to do is for you to actually have an interesting content. So when you have an interesting content, when you run ad on it, you see that it will attract people and these people are going to follow your page. So right now we are looking at people that when they watch your video, you earn more money, which is the people in those top countries. So what we are going to do is that when you are running your ad, you get to target those people in those countries. All right. And once your video is interesting, these people are going to watch your video, and once they watch your video and they love it, they are going to follow you. So this actually means that you are now building audience from those countries. All right. So this will now lead us to the next strategy, which is recreating content. Okay, right now you've run ads and you've targeted the audience that you need, and this audience actually watch your video and they love some of your video. Right. So what you're going to be doing as a creator is that you need to go to your creator's dashboard and get to understand the videos that are actually doing well. Understand? So if these videos are doing well, what are you going to do? What we are going to do is for you to actually create more video that's related to that video that is doing well, because this video is doing well on your page for a reason. And for you to actually make more views and make more followers, you should create more content that are like that one that is already doing well on your page. Which is like, if you made a video on how to monetize Facebook page and that particular video is going viral, so instead of you to divide them to another thing, you just need to make more videos on how to make money on Facebook or how to monetize your content. So this is actually you recreating that content that is going viral on your page in order for you to actually get more views and also get more followers. So now that you are now recreating the content that are doing well on your page, this will now lead us to the next strategy, which is volume scaling. So once you get to understand the content that is doing well, that is bringing views on your page, the next thing you need to do is for you to keep on posting consistently and post more. If you are posting 3 videos in a day, you should start posting like 4 or 5. If you're posting 1 video a day, you should step up and be posting like 2 to 3 videos. I'm not talking about videos only. If it's text that is doing well on your page, you should make sure that you post more text content, right? Because right now, Facebook monetization have made it easy. You are not only making money on your reels or your videos, you can actually make money on pictures. So if it's picture that is going viral on your page, what you're going to do is to snap more pictures or edit more pictures and keep on posting. Post more. If you're posting 3, post 4 or 5. So just make sure that you increase the way you post for you to be able to make more money. Forget about what people are saying that when you post too much, it will look like you're spamming Facebook. No, I know a lot of people that actually make more than 20 posts a day. So what you need to understand is that posting too much is not a problem. The problem is when you post 20 pictures a day and tomorrow you don't have something else to post, so far you are sure that you can remain consistent. If you are posting 10 videos or 10 pictures or 5 pictures a day, right? You should remain consistent that way. Don't just post like 5 pictures today and not post again till next 2 weeks. So what you need to do is that you should focus on what you know that you can stay consistent on. If it's 10 videos that you can post a day, if it's 2 videos that you can post a day, but you are going to stay consistent, then stay consistent with it, right? So once you follow the strategy that I just shared in this video, you'll be able to earn yourself up to $10,000 on Facebook every month. So number one is that you just get to understand the audience, that when they watch your video you earn more money. And number two is for you to get to understand the format that works well on Facebook. And then due to, because you don't have audience already, you need to run ad and target the right audience that will consume your content. And when you get those audience that are going to consume your content, then you will get to understand the content that's actually doing well on your page. Then you recreate those content that are doing well on your page, and also you increase the way you post on Facebook. If you follow this strategy step by step like this, you'll be able to earn yourself up to $10,000 on Facebook monthly. Right, so if you find this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. Even if you don't know what to say, just say thank you, Mazi, for sharing this, and I'll be glad to respond to your comment. Right, so thank you all for watching this video, and see you in my next video.